In today's video, I'll show you how to install mods in Watch Dogs. Check my video description for this mod download link. Scroll down under manual install, select the manual download option and download the mod. Once download done, right click and select WinRAR and select open with WinRAR. Right click on the game and select open file location. Go back to game folder. Drag and drop these three folders inside of a game folder. Replace the file in the destination. Once this done, launch the game. Once you are in game, press the insert key and open up this Nexus tools. Go to trainer and here you can able to see player cheat, vehicles, items, environment. You can change the time. Go to vehicles and you can spawn the vehicles. And to close this menu, press the insert key. And you can enjoy the game, guys. I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.